All right, today we're diving into something that's poised to change everything: artificial intelligence in healthcare. We're going to explore how this incredible technology is stepping out of the lab and becoming a real tool, not just for doctors, but for all of us trying to understand our own health better. I mean, we've all been there, right? You're trying to navigate the healthcare system, and it just feels so complicated, maybe even a little overwhelming. It's a path we all walk, but it's almost never a straight line. But what if you had a better guide through that maze? Well, that's the huge promise of AI. Researchers are now training these systems to help us and our doctors make sense of it all with way more clarity. So, how does this all work in the real world? Let's start with professionals on the front lines. The idea here isn't to replace doctors, not at all. It's to give them an incredibly powerful co-pilot, equipping them with advanced tools to make their expertise go even further. Let's look at a real-world example. It's a research AI system called AMI. That stands for Articulate Medical Intelligence Explorer. And it's designed specifically to help out with all the complex stuff that happens in a clinic, from workflows to patient conversations. So here's a peek at how it would actually fit in. After a patient visit, AMI gets to work, analyzing all the different data. It can then generate some potential insights. But, and this is the most important part, the doctor is always the one to review, interpret, and validate everything. The human expert is firmly in the driver's seat. And what's so cool about this is just how much it can handle. It's not just looking at numbers. It can analyze images, read through documents, and even track really complex cases over multiple visits. It's built for the messiness of real-world medicine, from general practice to super specialized fields. Okay, so that's the doctor's side of things. But what about us? What does this mean for our own personal health? Well, it's all about turning the mountain of data we collect every day into insights we can actually understand and use. And this is where a PHLLM, or a personal health large language model, comes into play. You know, if you wear a smartwatch or any kind of fitness tracker, you're gathering tons of data about yourself. A PHLLM is basically an AI built to be your personal interpreter for all of it. And this slide just shows the magic perfectly. Look at the left, you've got a stream of raw numbers. I mean, what does HRV45MS even mean to most people? But look at the right. The AI translates that into plain, simple English. Your body is showing signs of stress, and even gives you a smart, actionable tip. It turns confusing noise into a clear signal. Just imagine being able to ask your health data direct questions. Things like, why did I sleep so poorly last Tuesday? Or, was my heart rate okay during my run this morning? The whole point, as it says here, is to give you the power to get real, objective answers to your own questions. Now, this tech is absolutely incredible, but building it isn't a one-company job. The future of AI in health really depends on building a solid foundation that everyone can use to innovate safely and effectively. And that's where models like MedGemma come in. It's part of a whole family of open AI models. What that means is the foundational tools are shared with the entire healthcare community, giving researchers and developers the building blocks they need to create the next game-changing apps. This table really nails down that bigger picture. By giving open models like MetaGemma to researchers and the tech community, the goal is to speed up progress for everyone. It creates this amazing ecosystem where great ideas can be developed faster, better, and safer. It's a total team effort. So let's pull all these threads together. We've talked about AI as a co-pilot for your doctor, as a personal interpreter for you, and as an engine for innovation. What's the big takeaway from all this? It really boils down to this. For doctors, AI is becoming that powerful co-pilot. For you, it's like having a personal interpreter for your health data. And for the innovators out there, it's a whole new set of open tools to build the future of medicine. And that leaves us right here on the edge of this incredible new frontier with one last question to think about. We are stepping into a time where we can ask deep, personal questions about our health and actually get answers. So, if you had access to this technology right now, what would be the very first thing you'd want to know?